March 3rd, 2023. Alright, turn signal. You'll need something like this. These are wire and connector tools is what I call them. Connector tools. And the one we're using right here is this square one. Hopefully you can see that. But yeah, we're using the square one. You got a smaller one here. Not quite as big. Got a little bit thicker one over here. But the one we're using on these is the square one. And what we're going to do is first we're going to verify these wires are all the same color and same order, so we know where to put our new one back in, and they are, so we don't have to worry about any changes in the wiring harness. And we're going to get this big square one, and we're going to wiggle this thing back and forth. They are kind of hard sometimes. Push them forward sometimes. You got to push them forward. Get on it. They can be a hard thing to do. That one's on the back side on that one. See that? What's holding them in? Okay, right there. See that little clip right there? The tiny clip. Put it in there. Hard. It can be hard to tell which side the retainer is. Just keep working with it. Push it back out. Start again. See how loose that looks. Push it out there. Oh, there you go. You should feel it pop. And this one appears to be switching sides on me. Nope. Push it all the way out. All the way out. Might be on the other side. And since you're probably going to throw this one away, it's not going to really matter if you damage them. This is why mechanics' hands are so tough. Push it back out. Try the other side. It felt like it went down that time, but it didn't stay out. Pushing it down. Or maybe it will. One left to go. Not that side. Push it back out. Get in there. There it goes. I thought it did. They can be a bigger. I'll have to just get that one, cut my video short. It's getting kind of long. So anyway, I already taped in my fishing wire. That way, whenever I start pulling all this up, going through that plastic piece right there, we're going to have something here to pull our new turn signal wires back down. So anyway, God bless my 405. Got a lot of background noise today. Anyway, I'm working on an 87 GM drivetrain motorhome, 454, Gulfstream, Sunsport, turn signal, switch. God bless from the 405. Later.